The homely hub controls the heat pump over a 2-wire Modbus connection. A single twisted pair must be used. Use a small screwdriver to remove the rear cover of the homely hub. Use the small opening at the bottom of the case to feed the Modbus cable through. Connect one wire of the cable to each of the Modbus terminals, noting which color wire is in each terminal. Take care not to over-tighten the terminals. Secure the cable in place by feeding a cable tie through the plastic anchor. In the outdoor unit, the Modbus terminals are located at terminals 13 and 14. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, push the cable release tab to insert the resistor into terminals 13 and 14. Repeat the step for inserting the cables. Connect terminal A in the homely hub to terminal 13 in the outdoor unit. Connect terminal B in the homely hub to terminal 14 in the outdoor unit.